Selection of color. Hello everyone, I am Charumati and I will be guiding you throughout this exercise. In this exercise, we are going to learn about selection of color. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to carry out selection of color according to skin tone.
Tools or equipment or machine required are timer 1 number, mixing bowl, glass or plastic 1 number, measuring spoon 1 number, spray bottle with water 1 number, tint brushes 1 number, tail comb or style comb 1 number, setting clips as required, cutting sheet 1 number, mild shampoo 1 number, towel 1 number, selected color 1 number, protective gloves 1 number, neck strip 1 number, cotton 1 number, protective cream 1 number. Once the scalp and hair analysis are done, the next step is to discuss with the client on the hair color they want and give suggestions on what will look best on them. Selecting a hair color is an exciting process that allows one to express their personal style and enhance overall appearance. Here are some tips to consider when choosing a hair color. Skin tone plays a significant role in determining which hair colors will complement one best. Generally, people with warm undertones, yellow or golden, in their skin look great with warm hair colors like golden blondes, caramel browns, or copper reds. Cool undertones, pink or blue, are complemented by cool hair colors like ashy blondes, platinum, or deep burgundy. Eye color. Consider eye color, as it can also influence hair color choice. Certain shades can make eyes pop and create a harmonious look. For example, warm hair colors like honey blondes or rich browns can enhance blue or green eyes, while cool tones like ash browns or dark espresso can bring out brown or hazel eyes. Natural hair color. If you want a subtle change or a low maintenance look, consider selecting a hair color that is close to your natural shade. This will allow for less noticeable root growth and easier upkeep. Personal style. One's personal style and the image they want to project should also be taken into account. Do they prefer a natural, classic look or something more bold and vibrant? Consider whether one wants a dramatic change or a subtle enhancement that complements your current style. Lifestyle and maintenance. Hair color requires maintenance and regular touch-ups. Before selecting a color, inform the client about the level of commitment they are willing to make and how often they are willing to visit the salon or dedicate time to home maintenance. Professional advice. Assess the hair type, features, and preferences to provide personalized recommendations and help them achieve the desired result. Remember, hair color is a creative and personal choice, so ultimately, go with a color that makes the client feel confident and happy. Procedure. Task 1. Selection of color. Your skin color is the most important factor to consider before you color your hair. While the choice of the right hair color can enhance your appearance, a bad pairing of skin and hair color can ruin your entire look and can make you look unnatural. What's your skin tone for choosing hair color? Begin with, to choose the correct hair color you need to know whether your skin tone is warm or cool. A simple trick to finding your skin tone is, if you turn red under the sun, then yours is a cool tone, and if you tan under the sun, then you have a warm skin tone. Another way to check your correct skin tone is to look at your wrist closely in normal sunlight. If the veins in your wrists look green, you are warm-toned. If they look blue, you are cool-toned. But sometimes, you cannot tell whether the veins are blue or green. In that case, you may have a neutral skin tone, which gives you an olive complexion. Task 2. Hair color ideas. While you can follow hair trends, make sure that they complement your skin tone. Some colors look good on warm tones and some on cool tones. Select a color that is either 1 or 2 shades lighter than your natural hair color or darker. Another way is to choose a color that matches the color of your eyes. Warm undertones should opt for warm colors like copper. Cool ones should choose cool colors like walnut brown. The best hair colors for you. Here are some hair colors you can try that based on the latest hair color trends and with trial and error will be perfect for you. Natural hair color. All shades of brown and burgundy and hair color highlights of red fall are natural colors that are suited for most Indian skin tones. Remember that the best hair color shades for Indian skin are ones that don't work against our skin tone. So, if you have pale skin, stay away from all gold hair shades and ash browns. If you have a tendency to get red in the sun, avoid red hair color. Burgundy hair color. Brown may be considered dull in fashion circles, but brown, the hair color, has a variety of shades available to suit all kinds of Indian skin tones. If you are warm-toned, shades like chocolate brown and ash brown will suit you the most. And if you have a cool skin tone, mahogany and chestnut would look best on you. Red hair color. Red comes in a lot of shades and is very tricky to play with. You need to be very careful in choosing the correct shade for you. If you are fair-skinned, you can try light red or copper red. For olive skin tones, choose blue-based reds, which are darker. Funky hair colors. This is for all the wild women out there. There are a number of adventurous colors like green, purple, blue, and pink out there. As with red, you need to be very careful in choosing such colors. The best way to incorporate these colors is to use them as highlights or streaks. If you have a warm skin tone, wear these hair colors. Deep rich browns like chocolate, chestnut or a burns as a base rich golden browns. Highlights with warm golds and reds or copper. Avoid blue, violet, white and jet black. These hair colors can make you look washed out. If you have a cool skin tone, wear these hair colors. Cool reds, like burgundy or Bordeaux. Intense browns with a warm base, like red or blonde to brown. Highlight with cool shades such as wheat, honey or taupe, cool ash brown. Avoid gold and bronze tones, which can make you look drawing. Task 3. Permanent hair colors. Permanent hair colors, more commonly known as hair dyes, are used to color the hair intensely for longer periods of time. Now, though the permanent hair dye formulas need to be left on the hair for longer durations, they don't need to be applied as often as temporary hair color, which is definitely a major plus. Permanent hair dyes can change the hair color to up to 2 tones light or darker and are mostly formulated to give a more natural-looking hue to the hair. They also stick for a longer duration of time and can stay vibrant with regular touch-ups. This can also be done at home. However, if you are a novice to hair coloring and are not aware of the trends and color types, it's best to take help of a salon expert or your trusted colorist.
We have come to the end of this lesson. Thus, we have learned to carry out selection of color according to skin tone. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you all. See you in the next video.